Hi friends, today we'll know about Andhra Pradesh. This is Andhra Pradesh voucher which I have made. So we'll look into the details. This is India and this is Andhra Pradesh, part of Andhra Pradesh. The capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amaravati and the people of Andhra Pradesh speak Telugu. So mother tongue of Andhra Pradesh is Telugu and the population, it differs. According to 2011 census, it was 8.46 crores and according to 2020 census, it is 9.17 crores. So according to the year, it differs. So area, it is 160,205 kilometers. Districts, it has 13 districts. Literacy rate is 67.66%. Urban percentage is 33.49%. Sex ratio is 993 at present. It is the 7th largest state in India. It is the 10th populated state and it is also known as the egg bowl of India. It is linguistic state in year 1953. It was actually formed in 1953 on 1st October. And it is again redivided, formed into a new state on 2nd June 2014, dividing Andhra Pradesh and Telangana individually under Reorganization Act. The motto of Andhra Pradesh is Satyameva Jayate, to speak truth. And state anthem is Ma Telugu Talliki. Ma Telugu Talliki Mallepu Danda. And Andhra Pradesh is sharing the state borders of Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Next, we'll look into the details. The Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh is Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. And the state governor is Shri Bishwabhushan Harichandan. The Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy is son of Y.S. Rajshekhar Reddy, who is the beloved Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. And we'll know some details of it. The first CM was Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, who was where the government was formed on 1st November 1956. Andhra Pradesh is the second largest coastal region. It is the rice bowl of South India and it also first state to implement Panchayati Raj. And Andhra Pradesh is first in production of tobacco. Andhra Pradesh is the leading producer of cement and hydroelectricity. Next, we look into the location of Andhra Pradesh. It is located in India. And location coordinates are 16.50 degrees north and 80.64 degrees east. That means the longitude and latitudes are this coordinates. And statehood is 1st October 1953. Capital is Amaravati. Largest city in Andhra Pradesh is Visakhapatnam. And it has districts of 13 districts. Next, we'll look into the government. The government is the body of Government of AP. Governor is Bishwabhushan Harichandan. Chief Minister is Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. Legislative is bicameral. 175 plus 58 seats. Parliamentary constitution is Rajya Sabha 11 seats and Lok Sabha 25 seats. Next, we'll look into the symbols of AP. Emblem is Punnagattam. Language is Telugu. Song is Ma Telugu Talliki. Dance is Kuchipudi. Animal is black buck. Bird is parrot. Fish, koraminu. Flower, jasmine. The state fruit is mango. State tree is neem tree. State sports is kabaddi. Next, we look into the folk dances and state dance. Folk dance and state dance is Kuchipudi of Andhra Pradesh. This is the Kuchipudi form. And this is Bamakalapam. And the state festivals are Sankranti and Shivaratri. They also celebrate all the festivals, but they do celebrate Sankranti and Shivaratri greatly. Next, we look into Sriharikota. It is in Nellore district. Sriharikota is a barrier island form of the Bay of Bengal coast located in Nellore district of Andhra Pradesh in India. It houses the Satish Dhawan Space Center, and the Tumba Equatorial Rocket at Thiruvananthapuram. So this is Sriharikota located. ISRO means Indian Space Research Organization, full form of ISRO. ISRO successfully launches GSAT 29 satellite from Sriharikota. Chandrayaan 2, which was recently launched, was from Satish Dhawan Center at Sriharikota, vehicle 3850 kgs. And the chairman of ISRO is K. Shivan. ISRO to launch the Earth observation satellite CartoSat 3 13 nano satellites from Sriharikota shortly. So you can see the rocket. So Andhra Pradesh is having the privilege of launching. Next we see the temples and visiting places in Andhra Pradesh. This is Tirupati. Tirupati of Sri Venkateshwara Swami, and this is the Brahmotsavam which they celebrate. As everyone knows, Tirupati is very famous in South India. Next we have Kanakadurga temple in Vijayawada. And we have other temples. Yaganti temple in Kurnool, Ahobilam temple in Kurnool, Mangalgiri temples and Undavalli caves, Amaravati temple, Shimhachalam temple in Vishakhapatnam, Kanipakam Vinayaka temple in Chittoor, Srikalahasteshwara temple in Srikalahasti. These are all the famous temples of Andhra Pradesh where lots of people come and visit. Next we have the tourist places which are very beautiful in Andhra Pradesh are Vishakhapatnam, Burra caves, Araku valleys, beaches and parks. Next, Tirupati, Sri Venkateshwara temple, Vijayawada, Undavalli caves, Kanakadurga temple and Prakasham barrage. Nellore you have Udaygiri fort, Sri Ranganatha Swami temple, Jannavada. Chittoor also you have lot of temples where you can visit. Kurnool you have famous Mantralayam. So you have many other more places also. Okay, you can do visit this place. Next, the major rivers of Andhra Pradesh are Krishna, Godavari, Saileru, Penneru. The major dams of Andhra Pradesh are Srisailam, Nagarjunasagar, Prakasham barrage. Next, power projects. Simhadri Super Thermal Power Station, Rayalaseema Thermal Power Station, Kolleru Lake is the largest fresh lake in India. Next, we'll look into the education part. Education part, we have Andhra University and Nagarjuna University in AP. The state has given a lot of focus on education, and as such there are 20 higher education institutes in the state. The government is taking steps to promote higher education to the poor people freely. This is all the brochure. Next, we move on to the food part. What is the food famous in Andhra Pradesh? They grow crops like, Andhra Pradesh produces crops mainly like rice, groundnut, cashews and turmeric. The food is Pulihora, Chepa Pulusu, Gongora Pachadi, Pesarattu, Andhra chicken biryani, Guttu Vankai Kura, Punugulu, curd rice and Bobbatlu. The famous food we get in Andhra Pradesh. The tradition of Andhra Pradesh is Kanyadhanam. They perform this marriage custom year rituals. Next, men wear pancha kattu and kurta. They dress up neatly in a white kurta and pancha wearing a paga on the head, and women wear beautiful saris where the girls before marriage they wear langa or pavda. Next, we'll look into the 10 interesting factors of Andhra Pradesh. First one, it is the home to the only pillar in the world that stands suspended in the air. It has 70 pillars which are attached to the flying in the air. That is Lepakshi temple in Anantapur district of AP. Second one is the designer of Indian national flag was from Andhra Pradesh. That is Pingali Venkayya from Machilipatnam in Vijayawada. He has designed our national flag. Andhra Pradesh also boasts of India's first premier digital technology institute. Fourth point, the Englishman called Telugu Italian of East, Kakha Gaghana. Telugulo rase aksharalani Italian of East and annaru Englishman. Fifth one, the state's film industry holds a Guinness record of the largest film production facility. Sixth one, Amaravati envisions the people's capital has 20,000 years old history. Seventh point, it holds a record of holding the world's largest banyan tree, Marichettu. The branches of 8 acres in Anantapur district, which is still a record there. The eighth one is a small village in Andhra Pradesh which receives snowfall, and that village is Lambasingi village, Chintapalli Mandal of Visakhapatnam district in AP. Next, ninth point, AP has an island that once was a mountain. It is Nagarjuna Sagar Konda Island. Tenth one, the state has given the state the more numbers of its president. Now we have the 13th president, Ramnath Kovind. So out of these 13 presidents, we have 3 from Andhra Pradesh. First one is Sarvepalli Radhakrishna. Second one, Varahagiri Venkatagiri. Third one, Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. We also have one Prime Minister from Andhra Pradesh. He is PV Narasimha Rao from Telugu Desam Party. He was the 9th PM from AP. So this is all about Andhra Pradesh in brief. Thank you.